In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive not opening. Whether the desktop app refuses to appear or the web version stalls on a blank page, I'll walk you through simple, reliable fixes that cover the most common causes. First, the app may be running invisibly but has frozen. Open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. In the Processes list, find Google Drive or Drive for Desktop, right-click and select End Task. This fully resets the background process so it can relaunch cleanly. If you see more than one Drive process, end each one. Wait a few seconds, then open Drive again to check if it launches normally. If it still won't open, reinstall the software. Download a fresh installer directly from the official Google Drive download page to replace any corrupted files. Close Drive. If it's open, run the installer and follow the prompts. Your files are safe because they're stored in the cloud, and your local content will resync after you sign in. This clean reinstall is especially helpful after system updates or if the app has been crashing repeatedly. If your problem is in the browser, start with a private window. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. Visit drive.google.com there. Private mode disables extensions by default and uses a fresh temporary profile, so if Drive opens fine, that tells you an extension or a stale cookie is likely the culprit. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, focusing on Google site data. Open your browser's history or privacy settings, choose Clear Browsing Data, and remove cached images and files along with cookies for Google domains. Targeting site data avoids wiping everything, but be aware this may sign you out of Google services. After clearing, restart the browser, sign in again, and try Drive in a regular window. Still seeing a blank white screen or a page that never finishes loading? Turn off hardware acceleration. In your browser settings, search for hardware acceleration and toggle it off. Restart the browser so the change applies, then open Drive again. This switch often resolves display and rendering glitches caused by certain graphics drivers. That's it. By force closing a frozen background process, reinstalling from a clean download, testing in a private window, clearing site data, and disabling hardware acceleration, you should have Drive opening reliably again. Work through these fixes one by one and test after each change so you know what solved it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back into your files without any more hassle.